we extend a warm welcome to you, sir. I request Dr. Omkar Rai to take over the session. Please, sir.
STPI has taken an initiative to hold this seminar under the auspices of 4th Bharatiya Vigyan Sammelan 2015, just to make it sure that a host of experts and distinguished speakers having a real life experience share their thoughts and vision amongst you. And therefore, we have all the distinguished speakers with us. I would invite Sri Ajay Chaudhary, founder HCL and former chairman HCL Infosystem Limited, to come on the dais. I would invite Professor Dinesh Singh, an acclaimed academician and Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, to come and have a seat on the dais. I would now invite Sri Pradeep Gupta, founder and chairman of Cyber Media Limited, to come and have a seat on the dais. I would now invite 1991 with a view to promote the export of software and promote the entrepreneurship in this country. And for achieving those objectives, STPI was given the ISP license where we could establish our international gateways for bandwidth services. And thereafter, we have not looked back. So far, STPI has got about 10,000 registered units, out of which more than 3,700 units are actually exporting. We all know the kind of contribution that STPI has made in making India brand equity. And because of the exports and the hard work that the Indian entrepreneurs and beginners made to export the software and create job and wealth for the country, it is now a matter of history. So I won't get into it. As of now, in the IT sector, we are aware that the IT sector's contribution has rose from 1.2% in 1998 to more than 8% in 2013-14. And this sector employs about 3 million engineers. This sector is the largest urban job creator for this country. Because of this sector, there has been a rise in the self-esteem, in the brand equity, and the sense of pride in the country. And therefore, this sector has become a kind of growth engine, a kind of engine for the growth for the country. So it was been the fitness of thing that, and industry has also moved up the value chain. And once stereotyped, a coder nation has been the largest outsourcing hub for R&D. And that's how the Indian IT industry has developed that capacity to create product. And it has not only developed that capacity, but we can see a large and a well-established ecosystem for the entrepreneurship and product development already existing in this country. So I won't talk about much. In fact, I would say that it is testimony that the president of SoftBank from Japan visits and shops the startups in this country. There are a large number of infrastructure that has been taken up by the government, and the Indian Angel Network, a lot of venture capitalists have already made a place in India. A lot of startups in this country are mega successful, and they are creating wealth for the country. To name a few, like Snapdeal, Flipkart, InMobi, Hike, Zomato, and many others. And therefore, I would cut short my welcome address, and I would say that we have the kind of speakers who are very acclaimed. Before I really give their detailed introduction, I would just say that we have the kind of speakers who are first generation entrepreneur, made India pride, like HCL. We have the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, who has brought the innovation and entrepreneurship in the mainstream of academia for the first time by establishing Cluster Innovation Center and by hosting Electropreneur Park. We have P. Pradeep Gupta, who started cyber media long ago when there was no magazines and there was no scope for any IT magazine because IT just was non-existent. These kind of visionary and Vidya Shankar and all those speakers you will come to know. So with this, I would request Sri Partha Guhapatra, who has been the former senior vice president of Wipro and an industry insider. He knows the ins and outs of the industry, and after resigning Wipro, he has himself become an entrepreneur. He knows and he expresses his view very nicely, and therefore we will listen him. I would invite now Partha Guha Patra to share his views.